Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this unicorn nail art, so let's begin. As usual, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. Now I'm applying white to my index and pinky fingernails. Now I'm applying this hollow glitter to my ring fingernail. Since it's a scattered hollow, I'm going to apply the rest with a makeup sponge. Now I'm taking the same white nail polish and I'm just painting the shape of the unicorn's head. Now I'm just applying a quick dry top coat before starting the rest of the design. So I'm starting off the rest of the design with some pastel colored flowers on my index fingernail. Now I'm just adding some leaves. Now I'm doing the same thing, but on my pinky fingernail. Now for the rest of the unicorn, I'm taking gold and I'm going to start off with the horn. Now I'm filling in the ears. Now I'm using black acrylic paint for the eyes. Now I'm just doing some dots of pastel colors for the horse's mane. Now I'm taking black acrylic paint again and I'm just outlining the unicorn's horn. lastly, I'm going to seal it all in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any nail designs you want to see me do in the future. Bye!